too, so not an easy morning for some.
Yeah, and that's the thing, Kirsten. We're all trying to clean up from this first round, and we got another round potentially on the way. We've been seeing hundreds of your photos of the hail that moved through just a couple of hours ago. We're sharing a few of them through the rest of this morning. This is in Georgetown, Indiana. Katrina sent this photo in. Look at the fog. Just kind of where that hail settled down before it melted away. It kind of left a foggy scene behind. Unbelievable. Looks like a little coating of snow. Definitely not snow, obviously. Had a couple of hail cores. One went through Floyd and Clark County. Another went right through the heart of Louisville. We've seen reports of golf ball size hail in a few spots earlier this morning with those storms that rolled through at about 7:30, so almost 2 hours ago. Here's where things stand now. As expected, we are now getting a break between the first round of severe storms earlier this morning and a potential second round of storms that's on its way later on this afternoon. You do note a few downpours continue across Jackson and Jennings County, Indiana. Those are not severe. There are no severe thunderstorm warnings at this time. There are no tornado warnings, and there is no tornado watch. We are severe clear for now. Let's zoom things out just a bit, and you see the beginnings, I should say, of a significant severe weather outbreak today across the deep south. There's a rare high risk for severe weather today across Mississippi and Alabama. Let's be clear. This second round of heavier rain and severe storms that you see out near Memphis, down into Arkansas, Louisiana, it is going to move into wave country later on this afternoon. However, the ingredients for severe weather in our area this afternoon are not nearly as intense as the ingredients to our south across Mississippi and Alabama. Long story short, we could see additional severe storms later this afternoon. There won't be quite as many. The main issue will be heavy rain. The big thing that will decide how much severe weather we have this afternoon is sun. That's the live view of our New Albany camera. We see blue skies. Blue skies are not our friends today because that will allow that storm fuel or instability to increase through the day before that second round of storms arrives this afternoon. 63 is our current temperature here in Louisville. We will likely climb to near 70 before round two moves in. Here's Futurecast. This is 1 o'clock this afternoon. We've got widespread heavy rain moving back in. But again, I can't emphasize enough, the threat for severe weather is lower in our area this afternoon compared to our friends to the south in Mississippi and Alabama. Nonetheless, if we get enough instability in the atmosphere in wave country this afternoon, there could be some embedded severe thunderstorms within this bigger mass of heavier rain that could have damaging wind gusts, perhaps some larger hail, and perhaps a brief spin-up tornado. That threat will be from 1 o'clock this afternoon until about 8 o'clock tonight. Again, more than anything else, this is just some soaking heavy rain, maybe upwards of 1 to 2 inches of rain on top of what we've already seen so far today. We get past 8 o'clock tonight, the heaviest rain continues to push east, and all we'll be left with are just some lingering showers overnight tonight and into the first part of your Sunday. But it's not just a severe storm threat. It's also the wind. It's howling out there this morning. The wind advisory continues for every single county in wave country until 8 o'clock tonight. Those are for non-thunderstorm wind gusts, upwards of 40, maybe towards 50 miles per hour. That could cause a few sporadic power outages even outside of storms. We mentioned that risk for maybe some minor flooding with this heavy rain that moves in this afternoon. Notice the greatest risk for flooding is in our eastern counties. A flood watch continues for Mumfordville, Hodgenville, Bardstown, Shelbyville, points east until 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. So still a very, very messy setup, even though we're getting a break in the storms for now. So stay with us throughout the day today here on television, on the Wave Weather app, and of course on Wave Weather Now, Louisville's only 24/7 weather live stream. When do we quiet down, you ask? St. Patty's Day on Monday. Weather luck will be back on our side, Kirsten, with highs near 60 and some dry weather to kick off the week.
I can't wait. Thank you, Carson. Well, U of L